Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. CPSP Council, led by the President CPSP, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, had a very busy weekend. As part of the vision of the President Council, along with the academic activities, the extension projects of the Regional Center continued. The President, Senior Vice President, along with Council members, inaugurated the new block Regional Center Aptabad with a covered area of 8,000 square feet. The Council's activities started with an afternoon meeting on Friday with the fellows, supervisors, and senior officers of the Army Medical Corps at AMC Central Mess Aptabad. The basic agenda of the meeting was the strengthening of quality and standards in the postgraduate medical education and training program, in addition to strengthening overseas relationships. In the evening, Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal updated the national and international achievements of the college, followed by the address by the President CPSP, who acknowledged the quality services and contributions of fellows and the administration of CMH Aptabad and the Army Medical Corps. Souvenirs were exchanged between CPSP senior management and the senior management of the Army Medical Corps and CMH Aptabad. The next morning, President CPSP, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, Senior Vice President, Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, Region Director, Professor Muhammad Jahangir Khan, along with council members, spent a very busy day at Regional Center in Aptabad. The President and council members interacted with the participants of skill courses being conducted at the Regional Center, followed by the council meeting. In the council meeting, along with other agenda items, the follow-ups from the previous meetings and recommendations of faculties and other committees to strengthen the quality and standards in academics, evaluation, accreditation processes were discussed, with a special focus on the introduction of innovation, including the implementation of workplace-based assessment. In the afternoon, the Council had an interactive session with the postgraduate residents where various issues, challenges, solutions, and strategies were discussed. The Council also inaugurated a beautiful mosque separately constructed for males and females. After the Maghrib prayer, the Council, along with local fellows and head of institutions, inaugurated the double-story new block of the Regional Center, Aptabad, which included graceful offices, conferences room on the ground floor, and guest rooms for examiners, supervisors, and CPSP guests on the first floor, with the capacity for further extension as per the institution's needs. This was followed by a condolence reference for legends of the medical professions and past president of CPSP, late Professor Zafrullah Chaudhry, Professor Khwaja Sadiq Hussain, Professor Haq Nawaz, and past Vice President, late Professor Jangiz Hakim Khan. Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal and President CPSP Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi expressed their feelings and the feelings of the medical profession, highlighting their contribution to the medical profession and CPSP, followed by a prayer for the departed legends by Professor Ghulam Mushtaba. The last event of the councils continued with Fellows Mood, in which the Fellows of Aptabad, Manshera, Haripur, Changla, Batargam, Pishar, Swat, and other districts of KPK participated. Professor Muhammad Jahangir Khan, in his welcome address, threw light upon the history of Aptabad Center. He thanked the CPSP Council and appreciated his team members for their hard work in completing the new block of the Regional Center. Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal updated the national and international contribution of CPSP. Director General Medical Education Professor Amir Zaman Khan, Director General International Relations Professor Asghar Bhatt, and Vice President Professor Abbas Memon also addressed the audience. President CPSP Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, while appreciating the Regional Director Professor Jahangir Khan and his team, reiterated that besides strengthening quality and standards, the region centers will be expanded and empowered. Souvenirs were presented to officials of CPSP for their hard work. President CPSP, Senior Vice President, and the council members also visited the Muzaffarabad and interacted with the fellows and heads of institutions in Fellows Mood and organized by the local region director, Professor Dr. Zaid Kiani, and his team. They participated by large number of fellows and heads of institutions. The mood started with the welcome address of Professor Zaid Kiani, followed by address of council members Professor Jahangir Khan, Professor Abrar Ashraf Ali, Major General Professor Suhail Saber, Major General Professor Wasim Khan, Professor Aisha Siddiqa, Director General International Relations Professor Asghar Butt, and presentation by Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal and President CPSP Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi. Ex-Region Director and Senior Most Fellow delivered vote of thanks and moot was concluded. CPSP current council, with the help of the faculty, will continue to strengthen the quality and standards in academics, infrastructure development, and international liaison, inshallah. Thank you.